Joining me is Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti. Madam, there was an encounter in Budgam today. 2 people have been killed who are said to be part of the crowds who were around the encounter site. What do you have to say?
Yeah, it's very unfortunate that these young boys come out whenever there is an encounter. It's a new phenomenon, and we're trying to make people understand that this is not going to help, because if you try to create obstacles in the way of conducting an encounter, then unfortunately these such incidents take place where there is loss of life. That's why we have been insisting all the time that there has to be a dialogue, there has to be an honorable way out for the people to come out of this turmoil. And that's why I am happy that Mr. Rajnath Singh ji mentioned sometimes back that they are ready to talk to all the stakeholders. So I hope that this time the people with different ideologies, different thought process are going to respond to that statement.
Last time when there was this all-party meeting, we also wrote a letter to the separatists, asked them to come to the dialogue table. That did not happen. Now the Home Minister has again said that he's open to talks to all the people.
Yeah, well, it's very unfortunate that for the first time a sitting Chief Minister writes a letter inviting all the stakeholders to come and participate in a dialogue with a very powerful delegation, parliamentary delegation, and they refuse it. But I hope now that the better sense prevails and they are able to come forward and take advantage of the offer that has been made by the Home Minister and help us in sorting out the problems that we are facing day in and out.
There's a pattern. These youngsters coming around the encounter sites. It happened a week ago. Now it's happened again. What do you have to say in order to check this thing from happening in the future?
I can only appeal to the parents. मैं पेरेंट्स जो माँ बाप हैं उनसे अपील करना चाहूंगी कि जब भी कहीं एनकाउंटर होता है कोशिश करें अपने बच्चों को इस एनकाउंटर से दूर रखने की और पत्थरबाजी ना करें, क्योंकि इस वक्त दोनों तरफ से बंदूक चल रही होती है, वहां से मिलिटेंट चला रहा होता है और यहाँ से सिक्योरिटी फोर्स और पुलिस। तो ऐसे में अपने बच्चों को इन साइट्स पे जाने देना, मैं समझती हूँ कि ये बहुत खतरे से खाली नहीं होता है और बच्चे हमारी अपनी दौलत है, उनको बचाना चाहिए।